It's T3F. We had to download and install Alice on our computer. And Alice is an innovative block based programming environment that makes it easy to create animations, build narratives, or program simple games in 3D. It's designed to teach logical and computational thinking skills, fundamental principles of programming, and to be the first to expose kids to object oriented programming. It provides supplemental tools and materials for teaching using Alice across a spectrum. So it really facilitates and engages student learners. It can also be used as a formative assessment, something out of the norm of paper test. And it really just introduces them to gaming and coding, something that is definitely needed in the public school system to get our students more in tune with science and math. So this was a great tool, and it's a great introductory tool to present in any class, but especially math, science, gaming, robotics, computer science, to engage your students in learning.